Let's do a Mexican toast, okay?
Okay.
Everybody say, I'm not chicken.
I'm not chicken.
I'm not shy.
I'm not shy.
I drink tequila.
I drink tequila.
And party every night.
And party every night.
Salud.
Salud. Good morning. It is officially day number 4. And we are at, well, we're not there yet, but we are on our way to, what is it? Cozumel?
Cozumel.
We on our way to Cozumel, Mexico. Gotta go chill with my amigos. You already know. Anyway, about to eat some breakfast, get these kids fully ready, and we off to the journey. Alright, check it in and signing out. What's up, my people? It's your man, not your boy, saying thank you for tuning in. We are in the beautiful Cozumel, Mexico, at the Puerto Maya Pier and Cruise Center, which is located on the southwest side of Cozumel. Please do me a favor and hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. It really does help the channel when you do. So it is me and the family, aka the Travel Squad, on a mission to explore the island. This is the first shop you have to go through to get to the actual main tourist area at the port. There are plenty souvenir shops and restaurants in this area that tourists can visit. The wife and I could not resist going for these watermelon shots, which was very refreshing and got us off to a good start for the rest of the day. We walked around the area for a little while, taking photos and buying knick-knack here and there. And they got the Three Amigos Canteen. This is Chalk Mall. And here you have the exclusive Henny White, which cannot be found in the U.S. You can see the essence of the old world Mayan culture based on how these natives was dressed. Shout out to these guys for taking pictures with the kids and my wife. We gave them a tip and kept it moving. The area was safe. Everyone was really nice, of course. You're going to get haggled here and there, but nothing major. It was definitely a humid but nice day. The kids was amazed at how big these iguanas were. Tyson really thought they were cool. And London, not so much, as she kept her distance. So yeah, we trickled into a few more spots to see what we could bring back home. And then after going through the entire area, we decided to leave the port area and hook up with one of the local taxi drivers who took us to a tequila factory, or should I say a representation of a tequila factory, and showed us around the island where the locals live their day-to-day lives. We really wanted to get a taste of what life was like outside of the tourist area. So here's how it went.
Now you want to stop for the tequila factory.
Want to go to the tequila factory? Yeah, we'll
Yes.
go to the tequila factory first. All right, so you know, we negotiated our price. You know, you never go for the first price when approaching these guys in regards to getting around town. So on our way to the tequila factory, you got to definitely get to see the island and see what it's like. As you can see, they have the senior frogs, which is something that you see anywhere there's a tourist destination. This was one of the local beaches that the locals go to. See all kind of scooters and everything, which is one of the main ways people get around on the island. This was one of the local bars. He told us that you could find tourists and locals there. And now just taking a look at the landscape and the beaches, man, it was definitely beautiful. We didn't get a chance to take any dip into the ocean or anything like that, but we still rode around town just to get a vibe of what it's like over there. So here's the tequila factory, y'all. This is Ashel, which is the mother of the Mayan civilization. This guy right here was given a tour prior to our group, and this is our guy right here. He was getting the drinks ready for us.
You drink tequila before, right?
Yeah.
Which brand, which cane?
Oh,
Casamigos, George Clooney tequila.
Yeah.
Patron.
Yeah.
Don Julio. 1800.
Yes.
Herradura.
Yeah, Herradura, yeah.
Oh, yeah, we have that last.
Hornito Simal commercial brand, baby.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Titi.
Titi. We have Titi me pregunto si tenías muchas novias.
Sí.
Muchas novias. ¿Ah? Titi.
Ralph.
Ralph? Okay.
Or Raúl.
Raúl. Raúl, much better for me.
Or
you know?
Palito.
Ah. Listen to me. Commercial brand tequila. What is commercial tequila? The tequila you can buy where, Titi? Where?
At the grocery store,
Liquor store.
Anywhere. Right?
anywhere, yeah.
And the commercial tequila, for the make commercial tequila, the commercial companies, they use sugarcane
Yeah.
and ethanol alcohol. Why?
It's cheap.
They need faster fermentation
Yeah.
and they need quantities tequila.
Yeah, no GMO.
For that reason, when you drink a lot, you're feeling so sick the next day.
Yeah.
Big hangover.
Yeah.
Organic label tequila, Buen Bouquet, is a healthy tequila. Why? You can drink the whole bottle. You get drunk too. Why? Because it's alcohol, of course.
Yeah.
But tomorrow, when you wake up, you're feeling really good. No hangover. Why? Natural process. We don't add nothing. Why? Because we wait the season of the pineapple agave fruit. For that reason, we can ferment it. Produce the natural sweet flavor, the natural sugar, we call it agave syrup. Or honey agave nectar. Actually, I'll show you the agave nectar on the chocolate, the chocolate house, okay? Actually, it's the Mayan Willy Wonka. Okay? You can taste the vanilla chocolate, the cinnamon chocolate, and in case you want to try the red pepper, it's a baby kick after tasted. It's not really spicy, okay?
Okay.
After that, we have the handmade tortillas, the real Mayan taco. We call it sikilpak.
Sikipa.
What means sikilpak? Pumpkin seeds, tomatoes, and cilantro. We call it Mayan guacamole.
All right.
And we have the habanero pepper. Habanero pepper is really spicy, really hot. Actually, it's a king of the peppers in Mexico. It's spicy twice, Raul. Do you know why?
Okay.
In and out. Let's do a Mexican toast, okay?
Okay.
Everybody say, I'm not chicken.
I'm not chicken.
I'm not shy.
I'm not shy.
I drink tequila.
I drink tequila
And party every night.
and party every night.
Salud.
Salud.
Ready?
Ready.
Let's
All
do
right,
it.
so at this point, he finished breaking it down for us, and we about to go check out what the cacao fruit is all about.
Yeah, the cacao fruit.
Quincy, that's where chocolate comes
This is
from.
the picture of the cacao tree.
Look, London, this is where chocolate comes from.
This is the Mayan Willy Wonka.
Yeah.
His name is Chua.
Actua.
The Mayan civilization, they take it a mature fruit. Which one is the yellow one? They take it and cut it in the half. Remove all the beans, all the seeds. They put in the sun for 3 days. When it's completely dry, look like this. Look like an almond, right?
Yeah.
But this cocoa bean, for the make chocolate, the Mayan people, they need roasted. How to see ready? When you can peel them very easy and you only take that roasted cocoa bean. This is a 100% chocolate. And you can pass the bottle, please.
Smell it. This is where chocolate comes from. That's the chocolate.
Smell it?
100% chocolate.
You see, it came from that tree.
But this is little
Are
bitter.
these bees?
Okay. Yes, my pets.
Mm-hmm.
No, they love the honey, the
Yeah.
agave nectar.
Oh, these are the tortillas.
In Tamaulipas, Guanajuato, Nayarit, Michoacán, and Jalisco. Actually, Jalisco is the important city. Why? Because Jalisco produces all tequilas on the world. Commercial and organic is made come from Jalisco. Why? Jalisco have the copyright for the name tequila.
Very smart.
It's the same thing of the champagne. Do you know champagne?
Yeah.
It's made in France, right? If you don't do it in France,
No,
you can call it champagne. You need to call it sparkling wine. It's the same thing of tequila.
Same thing with cognac. The cognac region.
Look, we can make the whole process, the whole organic process in this place, in Cozumel, in this Mayan village. But after they steal it, when I put my label, I can't call it tequila.
Because it didn't come from.
Yes, why? Because copyright in Jalisco. I need to call it liquor of the blue agave. I know, it's the same
Tequila.
thing. Yes, I know, but the rest of the people doesn't know. But if you see Titi one bottle in my left side, okay? You see Tequila Willy. You can see my other hand. Liquor of the blue agave Willy. Which one do you want to buy? The tequila or the liquor?
No, I want to do the blue agave because it sounds more natural.
But the people doesn't know
they go with tequila.
Yeah.
But this is very smart in Jalisco. That copyright.
So there's a lot of money there.
Yeah, actually, do you know why they take the copyright for the Chinese?
Oh.
They make fake tequila in China.
Yeah. They make everything. Yeah, man. So, that experience was cool. Definitely learned a lot about tequila. So as he was telling y'all, any tequila that is made outside of that town, it has to be called blue agave syrup. So here's the local gentleman's club that we passed by. We got to see different areas. This right here is one of the parks on the left, the national park where they have different types of events. I didn't know they had a Heineken factory in Cozumel, but they do. This was one of the military bases. And then over here is the housing for the soldiers that live on the military base. Mexico was nice, man. The people were really cool. No complaints. From what I understand, there's no association with the cartel on Cozumel, so you don't have to worry about that. This is one of their local grocery stores, just like Winn-Dixie, Kroger, Publix, where you can get all your necessities for your everyday life. And this is one of the local parks where they do all of these sports events like baseball, soccer, what have you. And this is one of the local tech schools where you can get all kind of certifications and just get a better education. So, they have systems in place to help the local people out. This area here is where the teachers live. So it's interesting how they have an area for the military and they also have an area for the teachers to live. He also explained that this was like a Sam's Club or a BJ's where you can buy things by wholesale, get them in bulk. This was one of the local water companies where you could just bring like a 3.5 gallon jug, fill that up and take it home and use the water as you wish. This is the military base, another one of the local churches. And this was the Air Force base where we got to take some pictures with some of the fighter jets in the background. Yeah, man, definitely Mayan influence, as you can see with the little Mayan temple there. More local bars. Now we're going to be pulling up to the area where the ferry goes from. You can take it from Cozumel over to Katana Roo, where 5th Avenue is located, and do some shopping and exploring over there. We are here in Mexico, Cozumel, chilling downtown. Take a look at the scene. It's beautiful out here. What can we say? Yeah, we're just taking a quick little tour of the city on our own. As you can see, they got the Pueblo, Brightland tag, all that good stuff. Yeah, man, so this was definitely like one of the main areas for those that's coming from the 5th Avenue area, getting off of that little boat. They could go do their little shopping over there and buy their little tourist souvenirs and whatnot. Yup, nice little tour of Cozumel. Got to check it out with the family. One thing about Mexico, man, it's hot. Super humidity year round for what they told me. So whenever you come out here, hey, just be prepared to get some sticky heat. But for the most part, it was cool. People was real nice. And it was a good vibe, you know what I mean? So we still chilling over here by the port area. About to do some more shopping, then we hopping back on the boat. Holla. So of course, before we got on the boat, we sent the kids off with Grandma and Uncle Joey, and we enjoyed ourselves an authentic Mexican meal in Mexico. It don't get no better than that. You heard? Anyway, definitely thank y'all for tuning in. Please hit the like, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Travel Don and Divas in the building while these two enjoy their souvenirs. Peace!